Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how Camera Pro Mode looks on the OPPO Reno 10 Pro. So to open the Pro Mode you have to go for the More modes and hit this button. And when you open this mode I will recommend you to click on this information icon where you can find description of every parameter, like for example the white balance or exposure compensation. Let's start from the left side. First we can find ISO level. The second option is the shutter speed. We can set it up even for the 30 seconds. The next option is the exposure compensation. Here we can find focus range. And right now we can find the white balance. When we go for the upper bar, we can enable the histogram, switch the aspect ratio of the camera, enable shutter delay between 3 or 10 seconds, or activate camera flashlight. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.